Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jaleesa Graham, and if you're new, I'd love it if you guys subscribe and join my YouTube family. And if you're returning, thank you so much for always returning and supporting me. As you guys know, I'm a foster mom, and throughout the year there's events for foster and adoptive families, and today we're going to a beach event, so I thought I'd take you guys along with me for a little day in the life video. Everyone in my family is here except my godson. He isn't here. He went home a couple days ago. We weren't planning on going to this event, but I decided we would anyway. It's not a very hot day, but we're going to make the most of it and have fun. They have events throughout the year, as I said, for families that either are currently fostering or have adopted in the past. So this is one of these events. I have my foster son and my two sons and their dad, and we're all together having a quick little cute family day. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you guys know when I have new videos. If you hear that, that's Nicholas in the back playing playing Fortnite.
Splashing us. Was it cold, Gabe? Was it cold? Yes.
Can't believe no way I water.
Huh? Go down the slide, Gabe. Look at that little slide. Gabe, look at that little slide. No? You don't want to go down the slide? Look, it lets you out right there in the little bit of water. Go down the slide. Gabe, baby, go down the slide. Go, Gabe, go. Why?
I don't want to.
Guys, we're at the water park. Gabe, say hi in my video.
Hi.
They can't see you.
Hi.
Say hi, YouTube.
Hi. I'm gonna go to Daddy for a second.
I'll come with you. And my foster son is here with me. He's not sold on the water. He's not convinced.
So guys, this event was actually right on the beach. They have a water park right on the beach, and I told you it's an event for foster and adoptive families, so they gave us also passes to go on the beach, and that's what we did after we enjoyed the water park. It wasn't so hot, but a lot of kids were getting in the water, and we did get to go enjoy the beach, and then they served lunch. They gave us passes so that the kids can do like the rock climbing wall, which is right there. So it was really just like a nice fun day for families that have adopted and are fostering children. And there goes Nick, if you can hear him in the background again, playing Fortnite. That is my foster son. And they gave out little shovels. They gave out sunglasses for the teens. They gave out stuffed otters, I believe those are, and those are like the symbol for the foundation. So they gave them out like a whole bunch of stuff, had snacks, foods, and drinks for them. So it was a really fun day. Nicholas did not get in the water. It was a bit chilly, but it was a very fun family day.
Headed to the beach, you can meet me there. Tell me when you get there.
they gave us passes to go on the beach, so we're gonna go on the beach and then go back to the water park when they serve lunch at the event. So guys, they got these cute buckets from the event, and now we're headed to the beach.
Hungry for goldfish so that you can make the birds come to us? No. Look how crowded this beach is. I never go to beaches that's like this.
I'm hungry.
How many people? You want what? Nicholas, I don't want the birds coming next to me. You keep playing. I'm not playing with you. Look at all these people.
Shutting it down when I pop out. Riding downtown with the top down. Sun's got everybody out now. Yeah. Riding with my girls looking so good. Playing my song feeling so good. Only good vibes in my book. Yeah. All we wanna do is have a good time. I'm really loving the vibe.
Having a beach day, guys, at an umbrella event, and we had these cool like mayor passes so that we can get on the beach for free. I'll show them to you. When we went on, they didn't know what they were, and they had to radio that they were like legit passes, y'all. Let me show you what they are. Uh-oh. See, guys, we are special. Wait. I'm about to go live, guys, so make sure you hop on my live. I'm about to go on. It's such a pretty day.
This guy stays up all night playing Fortnite. Playing Fortnite all night. Wake up.
I don't know. Like,
Yes, you do. It's such a pretty day, guys. I have on my Tabitha Brown dress. This is such a crowded beach, though. My Foster son, Nicholas, and his hoodie. Say hi, Nick. And his hoodie all the time. And this guy don't want to stay up all night. I think that he's gonna sleep now. Wake up. Beautiful day.
Hey!
we went back to the water park after we left from the beach, and they had food. I forgot to vlog the food, but they kind of had like just finger foods, like hot dogs. They hot dogs, burgers, like chicken patties. They had soda, salad, and some other stuff, but I just got a hot dog and a salad. And then Nick did like the rock climbing, and he didn't really go in the water. Like the sun was like, you know, that kind of days where like the sun is like coming out, but it's not like swimming weather, but it's like warm, but like the water is just really cold. Like a lot of kids were in the water, but my kids were cold, so they didn't get in the water too much. And now we drove down to Atlantic City, and we're getting some ices. My foster son's asleep. Gabe is asleep again. And I'm waiting on Nick and his dad, and they're getting some ices. And we'll probably just hang out. We're not supposed to be parked here, so I'm watching out, making sure we don't get a ticket. And then they're waiting. We're getting some Rita's Italian ice. If you guys know, or if you guys have a Rita's around you, comment below. I love the cherry with the vanilla on top. And I always get like a small. Someone's parking behind us. Yeah, you know, like, because we're going on like the boardwalk, if you guys know Atlantic City, and I'll show you. You see, we're like right here at the boardwalk, and literally the icy place is right there. So instead of going back, paying for parking, because parking is all the way down the road, we're just kind of sitting here, and then if like a cop or someone comes, I'll just move. But the place is like literally right there, so close, so far away. So we're just sitting here, parking here, even though you're not supposed to. It's a no standing, no stopping sign right down there. And we're just gonna try to grab some ices and be on our way. Just because the parking, I'll show you guys, like for you to park, you have to park all the way down there, like where kind of where that blue P is, and pay and then walk. That's why some people, like the guy behind me right there, is doing, is like, I don't mean to put him on the spot too, but like they're doing like what we do, just kind of sit here for 1 second, grab. But there must be a long line because they've been there for a minute now. So I was hoping it would be like a they run in and run out type of deal. Yeah. Let me see.
Raspberry.
Let me see. Hey, cheese. Thank you, Nick. Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Alright guys, so after we came from Atlantic City getting some ices, we drove around, we hung out a little bit. Now it is later in the night. We have, all the boys have taken their bath. This is my foster son, he has taken his bath. We are going to do a quick story time, and then we're going to actually bake some cookies and get ready for bed. I just wanted to bake cookies and do a little activity with him because it is his last night with us. Tomorrow he will be going to school in the morning, and then his foster parents that are his like regular foster parents, they will be picking him up after school. Once again, there's Nicholas in the back being loud. So it was such a joy having him as a respite placement, and we had so much fun. I'm so glad that the last day was a very fun day. Every day we tried to make it fun, but we actually all got to spend some time together at the beach. It was really fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, hit that notification bell so you guys know when I have new videos coming out, and we will see you all next time, as Gabe says. Love you guys. So before he goes, you want to give him what?
I want to give him a toy.
A present?
Yeah, like my toys.
Before he goes home?
Him a toy.
That's so nice.
And this one of my toys.